Anxious na ginawa, I think we've become closer to each other.
Sa kanyang social media account, madamdamin ang ibinahaging mensahe ng aktor na si Gabby Concepcion sa ex-wife nito na si megastar Sharon Cuneta. Magugunitang magkasama ang dalawa para sa Dear Heart concert sa iba't ibang panig ng Amerika at Canada. Sa ibinahaging clip ni Gabby, kalakip na madamdaming mensahe, maririnig na nag-uusap ang dalawa sa isa sa mga concert venue nila.
I thought when I lost you, I lost all of them.
Don't worry, I don't know.
Alam mo si Mama ni si Bill.
Anxious na ginawa, I think we've become closer to each other.
Shows left to go. I will miss singing with you.
Sa mensahe naman ni Gabby, sinabi nitong dahil sa concert tour, naging mabuting muli ang pagkakaibigan nila ni Sharon at nagpasalamat sa mga fans na patuloy na sumuporta para maging posible ang concert tour. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga fans namin, sa mga tao na hindi bumibitaw at naging posible yung concert tour na ito. That we got closer again, understood each other better, made us both a better person. Then, she broke down in tears. That I comforted her with care. Konting humor na I did not have my hanky. I felt something building up from within, but she manifested it first. I realized that at very moment, these were tears of joy. Samantala, maraming fans at taga-subaybay ng dalawa ang kinilig at nagdiwang sa mensahe na ito ni Gabby. I never left since 1981. Now I have the entire #ShagabNation to support your brand. No retreat, no surrender. Fighting, S&G. Very touching naman. At least you guys understood each other better now. Sana it will continue this way. OMG, Papi. We will not stop supporting. Whether it be a movie, documentary, or another round of US tour. Just don't go too far from San Diego so I can watch. We got this, Papi. Time heals all wounds indeed, in His perfect time. Papi, yung caption mo, it conveys a lot of emotion that should have been done a long time ago. I realized that those tears of joy were a testament to the deep bond you and Mama had rebuilt. A shared understanding that made between the two of you grow, not just as individuals, but also as a good friends. It was a reminder that even in the toughest times, true connection brings light, healing, and purpose. I hope you both continue to nurture and maintain the kind of relationship you have now. One built on understanding, growth, and genuine connection. It's a rare and beautiful thing, so treasure it always. Sharon and Gabby will always have a special place in our hearts. Love you, Papi and Mama. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.